Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chillu's World. Now let us begin with the topic Mukha Kalpana, Kavalagraha, Gandusa, Pratisarana and Manjana, that is oral liquids and gargles. Kavalagraha and Gandusa are used as Paschatkarma after Nasya and Vamana Chikitsa to cleanse the buccal cavity. These are also the special kind of primary treatment procedures where the medicated liquid is either held full in the buccal cavity or a little quantity of Aushadha Drava or Aushadha Kalka is moved thoroughly in the mouth. These treatments are employed as preliminary treatments or advised along with the main treatment in the many of the diseases of the oral cavity or the other Urdhva rogas. They are even beneficial to prevent many of the Urdhva roga if practiced on daily basis by healthy persons. The above said procedures are routinely performed by us all in daily life, after brushing our teeth or after food to clean the mouth. Now let's discuss about the definition. Gandusa is a procedure where the specially prepared Aushadha Drava, that is, medicated liquid, is taken mouthful quantity and held until the eyes start watering. Kavala is a procedure where only little quantity of Aushadha Kalka, which is possible to be moved easily in the mouth, is taken and it is moved thoroughly for stipulated period of time. The liquid quantity in the Kavala Graha or Gandusa should be taken are only the quantity of Aushadha Drava or Aushadha Kalka which may be easily moved in mouth should be taken for Kavala Grahana, whereas for Gandusa the quantity of medicated liquid or Aushadha Drava should be mouth full with no chance to move. Let us discuss about the types of Gandusa or Kavala Graha. There are mainly four types of Gandusa and Kavalagraha. They are Snaihika Gandusa or Kavalagraha, Samana or Prasadana Gandusa or Kavalagraha, Shodhana Gandusa or Kavalagraha, Ropana Gandusa or Kavalagraha. Snaihika Gandusa or Kavalagraha is these are performed using Snigdha Dravya with Madura, Amla, Lavana Rasa. This liquid is used in warm state. This is beneficial in conditions of Vataja rogas. Samana or Prasadana Gandusa or Kavalagraha. These are performed using Madura or Tikta, Kashaya Rasa Dravyas. This liquid is used in cold state. This is beneficial in conditions of Pittaja rogas. Shodhana Gandusha or Kavalagraha. These are performed using Tikshna, Ushna, Katu, Amla Lavana Rasa Dravyas which have Ruksha properties. This is the one referred after Nasya Karma. This is beneficial in conditions of Kafaja rogas. Ropana Gandusa or Kavalagraha. These are performed using Kashaya, Madura, Katurasa, Ushna Virya Dravyas. The liquid is used in warm state. This is beneficial in healing the selected wounds. Now discuss about the Gandusa and Kavalagraha difference. The amount of Gandusa Drava taken into mouth is so much that it can't be moved easily in the mouth. In Kavalagraha, the amount of Kalka Dravya taken into the mouth is so little that it can be easily moved in mouth in all directions. In Gandusa, Aushadha Dravya used is in liquid form. In Kavalagraha, Aushadha Dravya used is in Kalka form. In Gandusa, if Dravya Churna is added into the Gandusa Dravya, it should be added in 1 kola quantity. In Kavalagraha, the quantity of Kalka Dravya used in the Kavalagraha is 1 tola. Gandusa or Kavalagraha age limit. Only after the age limit of 5 years, the Gandusa and Kavalagraha treatments are advised. Gandusa Dharana or general method. The person undergoing Gandusa and Kavalagraha Chikitsa is made to sit on the comfortable chair. Mild sedation or Svedana is done over the face. Later, he is advised to take mouthful of Gandusa Drava and hold it until the kapha is collected fully in the mouth, until dosha are mitigated, until the eyes and nose start watering. This process of Gandusa Dharana can be repeated for 3, 5 or 7 times or until all the vitiated dosha are mitigated. Gandusa or Kavala, Hina or Atiyoga Lakshanas. When Gandusa or Kavala are taken in Hina Yoga, the causes are Kaphotlesha or Rasagna Aruchi. When Gandusa or Kavana is taken in Ati Yoga, it causes Mukapaka, Mukashosha, Trishna, Klama. When Gandusa is taken in Samyak Yoga Lakshanas. With appropriate Gandusa or Kavala Chikitsa, the disease symptoms subside, patient remains content and feels lightness in mouth, and all the sense organs of the patient will be sharpened. Pratisarana. Pratisarana is the application of medicinal powder, kalka, medicated oil, etc. to the oral cavity in case of wounds in buccal cavity and the throat. It is very carefully applied with sterile cotton swab. And the types of Pratisarana are, there are 3 types: Kalka Pratisarana, Avaleha Pratisarana, Churna Pratisarana. These are carefully applied into the oral cavity with the index finger. Kustadi Pratisarana. One part of each fine powders of Kusta, Daruharidra, Manjista, Pata, Katuki, Haridra, Tejabala, Musta, Lodra are homogeneously mixed. This mixture is used daily for the purpose of Mukha Pratisarana to cure Mukhagata Raktasrava, Dantapida, Shota and Daha. Drugs used for Gandusa, Kavala and Pratisarana are the Aushadha Dravya used for Gandusa Dharana can also be used for the purpose of Kavala Dharana and Pratisarana. An intelligent physician should understand this fact and use the medicinal drugs for a wider use. Manjana. Manjana is cleaning of the oral cavity or the teeth with the fine medicinal powder of medicinal drugs or the drugs in kalka form. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.